Most car enthusiasts are leaving serious performance on the table, and it's not because they can't afford expensive upgrades. The real problem? Nobody's talking about the forbidden tricks that manufacturers and dealerships don't want you knowing about. I'm talking about modifications and techniques that can boost your car's performance without voiding warranties or spending thousands on bolt-on parts. Some of these are so effective that they've been called cheating by industry insiders. Today, I'm revealing 17 hidden performance hacks that can transform your daily driver into something much more responsive, powerful, and efficient. These aren't your typical add a cold air intake suggestions. These are the real secrets that separate weekend warriors from people who actually understand how to extract every ounce of performance from their vehicles. Let's dive into the tricks they don't want you to know. Tip number 1. Eliminate DRIVEBY lag. Your modern car's throttle isn't connected to anything physical. It's completely electronic, and manufacturers intentionally program in delay for emissions and smoothness. This lag makes your car feel sluggish and unresponsive, especially during aggressive driving. Here's the fix: throttle response controllers. These plug-and-play devices intercept the signal between your pedal and ECU, eliminating the program delay. The result? Instant throttle response that makes your car feel like it gained 50 horsepower. Installation takes 10 minutes, costs under $300, and is completely reversible. Your car will feel transformed, responding immediately to pedal inputs instead of hesitating. This is one of the highest value per dollar modifications you can make. Tip number 2. Delete intake silencers. Your intake system is deliberately choked for noise compliance. Manufacturers install silencers, resonators, and restrictive snorkels that quiet the engine but strangle airflow. Most people don't realize these components can be removed in minutes with basic tools. Simply locate the intake silencer box, typically near the airbox, and remove it completely. Then check for any intake snorkels with restrictive baffles and modify or delete them. The benefit is immediate. Better airflow means improved throttle response and a more aggressive engine note. You'll gain 3 to 5 horsepower just from letting your engine breathe properly. This costs nothing if you do it yourself, and takes about 30 minutes. Just keep the parts in case you need to reinstall them for inspections. Tip number 3. Reset your ECU's adaptive learning. Your engine computer is constantly learning your driving habits and adjusting performance accordingly. If you drive gently, the ECU adapts to provide smooth, economical performance. But here's the problem: this adaptive learning can suppress your car's full potential. The fix is simple. Perform an ECU reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes. This clears all learned parameters, forcing the ECU to revert to its base aggressive mapping. After reconnection, drive aggressively for the first 50 miles to teach it your preferred driving style. Many owners report noticeably sharper throttle response and better power delivery. This costs nothing and takes 20 minutes. It's particularly effective if you bought your car used and the previous owner drove like they were hauling eggs. Tip number 4. Remove engine covers for better cooling. That plastic engine cover isn't protecting anything. It's purely cosmetic, designed to make the engine bay look clean during dealer showroom tours. What it actually does is trap heat, creating heat soak that reduces performance. Hotter intake air means less power and more likelihood of engine knock. The solution is obvious but overlooked. Remove the engine cover completely. Your engine will run cooler, intake temperatures will drop, and heat dissipation improves dramatically. Some owners report intake temperature drops of 15 to 20 degrees, which translates directly to more power and better engine longevity. This takes 60 seconds with basic hand tools and costs nothing. Your engine bay will look more aggressive and functional anyway. Tip number 5. Enhance cowl induction airflow. Here's something 99% of car owners miss. The cowl area at the base of your windshield is a high-pressure zone perfect for cold air intake. Many cars already route intake air from this area, but the path is restricted by weather stripping and seals. You can optimize this by carefully modifying the weather strip to allow more airflow into the intake path. Some enthusiasts cut strategic openings or add ducting to channel more cold air directly to the airbox. The result is cooler, denser intake air, and reduced engine bay temperatures. This is particularly effective on turbocharged cars, where every degree of intake temperature matters. Cost is minimal, maybe $20 for materials, and the installation takes an hour. Just ensure you don't compromise water protection. Tip number 6. Upgrade to synthetic gear fluids. Your drivetrain is losing power to friction every single second you drive. Factory gear oils are adequate for longevity, but not optimized for performance. Switching to high-quality synthetic gear oil in your transmission and differential reduces internal friction significantly. This means more power actually reaches your wheels instead of being converted to heat. The difference is measurable. Many cars gain 5 to 10 horsepower at the wheels just from this change. Plus, synthetic fluids protect better and last longer, reducing long-term maintenance costs. Expect to spend $100 to $200 for fluid and a few hours of work if you DIY. The performance improvement is immediate and noticeable, especially in manual transmissions where shifting becomes smoother and more precise. Tip number 7. Reduce electrical resistance. Weak electrical connections rob performance in ways most people never consider. Your engine's ground straps and electrical connections develop resistance over time from corrosion and vibration. This resistance reduces voltage, reaching critical components like the ignition system and throttle body. The fix: upgrade your ground straps with larger gauge wire and ensure all connections are clean and tight. Many enthusiasts add additional ground points between the engine, chassis, and battery. The result is crisper throttle response, stronger ignition spark, and better overall electrical system performance. This costs about $50 in materials and takes 2 hours to complete properly. It's one of those modifications where the cumulative effect of small improvements adds up to noticeable gains. Tip number 8. Index your spark plugs. This technique is used by professional engine builders but rarely discussed publicly. Spark plug indexing means installing plugs so the electrode gap faces the optimal direction in the combustion chamber, typically toward the intake valve. This positioning allows the flame kernel to propagate more efficiently through the air-fuel mixture. The process requires special indexing washers to rotate the plug to the correct position while maintaining proper torque. The benefit is more complete combustion, slightly more power, and better fuel efficiency. It's tedious work, requiring multiple attempts per cylinder to get the orientation correct. Expect to spend 3 hours and about $30 on indexing washers. The power gain is small, maybe 1 to 2%, but every bit counts when you're chasing performance. Tip number 9. Use high-efficiency coolant additives. Your cooling system isn't as efficient as it could be. Water and coolant don't transfer heat as effectively as specialized additives can enhance. Products like water wetter contain surfactants that reduce surface tension, allowing better heat transfer from metal to coolant. The result is lower engine temperatures, particularly cylinder head temperatures where it matters most. Cooler running temperatures mean you can run more aggressive timing, prevent heat soak, and protect against detonation. This is especially valuable for turbocharged or supercharged engines running high boost pressures. Adding these additives costs $15 to $30 per bottle and takes minutes during your next coolant service. Temperature drops of 10 to 15 degrees are common, which translates directly to more consistent performance. Tip number 10. Install an oil catch can. Modern direct injection engines have a dirty secret. They develop carbon buildup on intake valves because there's no fuel washing over them. The PCV system routes oil vapor back into the intake, where it accumulates as carbon deposits. This reduces airflow and performance over time. An oil catch can intercepts this vapor before it reaches the intake manifold. Installation involves splicing the can into the PCV line between the valve cover and intake. You'll need to empty it periodically, but you'll be shocked how much oil vapor it captures. This prevents thousands in carbon cleaning services later and maintains optimal performance. Quality catch cans cost $100 to $300 depending on design. Installation takes 2 hours. Consider this preventive performance maintenance. Tip number 11. Upgrade to high-flow air filters. Your factory paper air filter is cheap to manufacture but restrictive by design. Manufacturers prioritize filtration intervals and cost over maximum airflow. Switching to a high-flow cotton gauze filter like K&N or similar dramatically improves airflow while maintaining adequate filtration. These filters are washable and reusable, lasting the lifetime of your vehicle. The improved airflow provides better throttle response and 3 to 5 additional horsepower. Installation is simple. Just remove the factory filter and drop in the replacement. Cost is typically $40 to $70, and it takes 5 minutes to install. The filter pays for itself over time since you're not buying replacements every year. Just remember to clean and re-oil it every 10 to 15,000 miles for optimal performance. Tip number 12. Switch to polyurethane motor mounts. Factory rubber motor mounts are designed for comfort, absorbing engine vibration to keep the cabin quiet. But this compliance allows excessive engine movement under hard acceleration, causing throttle lag and power loss. Polyurethane mounts are much stiffer, minimizing engine movement and providing more direct power transfer. The result is sharper throttle response and better acceleration feel, particularly in front-wheel drive cars where engine rocking steals forward momentum. The trade-off is increased vibration transmitted to the cabin, which some consider unacceptable for daily driving. Quality polyurethane mounts cost $150 to $300 per set. Installation requires mechanical skill and takes 3 to 5 hours. This modification is best for performance-focused drivers who don't mind the harsher ride. Tip number 13. Properly bed your brake pads. Most people install new brake pads and just start driving normally. This is a huge mistake that reduces braking performance and causes squealing. Proper pad bedding creates an even layer of friction material transfer to the rotor surface, maximizing stopping power. The process involves performing a series of controlled deceleration cycles from moderate speed without coming to a complete stop, allowing brakes to cool between cycles. This properly mates the pad compound to the rotor. The result is significantly improved braking power, better pedal feel, and elimination of brake squeal. This costs nothing but 30 minutes of your time and an empty road. Do this every time you install new pads or rotors. Your braking performance will be dramatically better than someone who skips this critical step. Tip number 14. Reduce unsprung weight. Here's a fundamental physics lesson. Unsprung weight is the enemy of performance. Every pound of wheel, tire, and brake assembly has to be accelerated and decelerated constantly, robbing power and hurting handling. Lightweight wheels are one of the most effective modifications you can make. Reducing unsprung weight by even 10 pounds per corner improves acceleration, braking, handling response, and ride quality simultaneously. The effect is more noticeable than adding horsepower, because it benefits every aspect of vehicle dynamics. Quality lightweight wheels cost $500 to $2,000 depending on size and brand. Pair them with lighter tires when possible for maximum effect. This is expensive but one of the few modifications that genuinely improves everything about how your car performs. Tip number 15. Manual AC clutch override. Your air conditioning compressor steals 7 to 15 horsepower when engaged. Most people don't realize how much this affects performance, especially during highway passing maneuvers. Here's the trick. Before you need to accelerate hard for passing, manually turn off your AC. The instant the compressor disengages, that power returns to the wheels. The difference is immediately noticeable, particularly in 4-cylinder cars where 15 horsepower represents significant percentage gains. This costs nothing and requires only awareness of when you need maximum power. Get in the habit of hitting the AC button before passing or merging. Some enthusiasts install AC cutoff switches that automatically disengage the compressor under wide-open throttle conditions. This takes planning but delivers instant accessible power when you need it most. Tip number 16. Transmission kickdown shortcut. Most modern automatics with paddle shifters have a hidden function nobody talks about. If you hold both paddle shifters simultaneously, or hold the downshift paddle, many transmissions will immediately drop to the lowest appropriate gear for maximum acceleration. This bypasses the normal kickdown logic that might only drop 1 or 2 gears. The result is instant access to maximum acceleration without waiting for the transmission computer to figure out what you want. This technique is vehicle-specific, so test it in a safe environment first. Once you know how your transmission responds, you have a secret weapon for highway passing or performance driving. This costs nothing and works in most modern automatics with paddle shifters. It's like having a manual override for emergency acceleration. Tip number 17. Stage 1 ECU tuning. This is the big one that delivers real, measurable power gains. Your engine is deliberately detuned from the factory for emissions, fuel economy, and warranty considerations. A Stage 1 ECU flash optimizes ignition timing, fuel delivery, and boost pressure on turbocharged engines. The gains are substantial. 20 to 40% more horsepower and torque are common, especially on turbocharged cars. The catch? This likely voids your warranty and may have legal implications depending on your location. Quality tunes from reputable companies cost $400 to $800 and take an hour to install. The transformation is dramatic. Your car will feel like a completely different vehicle. This should be your final modification after you've optimized everything else, and only if you're willing to accept the warranty and legal risks. These 17 techniques represent thousands of dollars in potential performance gains and years of accumulated insider knowledge. Start with the free modifications like ECU resets and intake silencer removal, then progress to the more involved upgrades. The beauty of these tricks is that most of them are completely reversible and warranty-friendly. Combined together, you're looking at 50 to 100 horsepower gains without major engine work. Which trick are you trying first? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. If this saved you from expensive dealer modifications, hit that subscribe button for more automotive secrets they don't want you knowing.